Lot number 269 is an industrial compressor. This compressor was removed. According to the shop notes, it says it was working, but the dryer was not working. So they bought a new compressor and this one's going up for auction. But the shop notes state that the compressor does work and the dryer does not work. This is a big unit. Industrial. It appears to be in good condition. I don't see any damage anywhere. It looks nice, a good cleaning, it'll look brand new. Not a scratch. All right, that's all I know about it. It's lot number 269 and it's being sold as is. Good luck.